In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to open Themes app that's already on your device. And then tap on one of those sections at the bottom: Discover, Recommended, or Category. You can also tap on this search bar at the top and type in whatever you want to find the perfect theme for you. Wherever you decided, make sure to hit Themes at the top to sort everything you can get from Themes app. Now it's time to tap on a perfect one. I think I like this one. Check it out, choose Apply and wait. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed within seconds. Now, if you want to manage your themes, you can get access to all of your downloaded and default ones by selecting Themes app again, clicking Me at the bottom right corner, and tapping on Themes section at the top. Here you can manage and apply all of your downloaded or default ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!